Hello everyone, welcome to the midweek market update. Today 23rd July, Nifty ends today at 25,220 and Bank Nifty at 57,170. First, let us see what we have discussed in our previous video or during the previous week. See, when the price was declining 24,950, we said that if the declines needs to stop and bounce, then the range is 24,920 to 24,820. Okay, this I shared on July 18th, and here, okay, the first stop was 24,920. Okay, right? So 24,920, the price got support and bounced, and during our weekend video, we expected one more low. As per our expectation, the price declined one more low, but turned from 24,878, 880. Okay, we expected minimum 24,850, but it turned from 24,880 itself, a 30-point difference, and the price started to bounce. Now you can read it again. If the declines needs to stop and bounce, then this is the range, right? So this range, price got support and bounced. Now let us see the Bank Nifty. See, in Bank Nifty on same day, July 18th, the important support levels are between 56,350 to 56,280, right? And you can see this 56,280 strongly hold that level, and even I expected one more low like Nifty, even we discussed that in our previous weekend, but the expected final low not came and the price started to bounce. Okay, but anyway, we expected price to move higher only. Now what we can expect next? So we got the support and the bounce has been done, and even we expected 24 120 to 24 220 or 210. Okay, this is the level we expected, and you can see the price reaches our expectation. So now the price reaches our minimum expectation, and it can pause here, okay, at the same level between 24 230, the same level the price is holding, or around 25 270. In these zones the price can take some resistance, okay, in that zone between 25 220 to 25 270 it can face some resistance here, and after a small pause or a small decline, the price can move to 25 345, okay, in this gap zone between 25 320 to 350, that is reachable in coming days. But remember, this zone is a resistance. Now it needs to be cleared. Suppose if any gaps up above this level or straight away crosses this level, yes, obviously the price can reach between 25 330 320 to 25 350. Okay, these are the zones we can expect in coming days, and in more bullish case the price can reach even 25 500, but that is based on Bank Nifty, and that we can discuss during our weekend video. So what we can expect in coming days? This is the resistance, and if this resistance clear directly after some pause, we can expect 25 350 zone, around that zone. So Bank Nifty, I hope you remember that in Bank Nifty we clearly mentioned that there is a higher chance for price to move higher, and one more touch point is even possible, and for that the price needs to come in this zone. Okay, this is what we discussed, and even now more like if Bank Nifty can make one more high but Nifty cannot make one more high, that may create the negative divergence also, intermarket negative divergence. All these we anticipated in previous week, even during this fall. See the nature of fall. Okay, I think not many analysts believe that this price action will take support here, and we clearly mentioned this support point, right, and we expected the price to minimum reach this trend line, and if the price closes within this trend line, we can expect even new highs also in Bank Nifty. Okay, this is what we discussed, and currently the price is moving higher as per expectation only. Now the price needs to cross this high, right. See, in one of our video I said that the price already gave a breakout like this. Okay, I think I marked like this, and I said this is not sufficient for Elliottwave. For Elliottwave the price needs to cross this high, okay, this high. See, the price not crossed and declined. Okay, this is the difference between the patterns and Elliott wave. Now again the price needs to cross this high of 57,340 zone, this high, and if yes, the price can reach previous high and to 57,700 plus. In more bullish case, this can touch trend line also. So this is the update for Bank Nifty, and suppose if the price face resistance, because it is very close to resistance, right, Nifty and Bank Nifty, and in this case the price can a small pause may come, a decline, and in worst case decline, this is the support 56,600 to 56,500. Until this zone we can expect a one more high. Okay, let us see how the price behaves here. So price is approaching some kind of resistance, and crossing this resistance the price can reach new highs in Bank Nifty. Okay, so this is the view on Nifty and Bank Nifty, and I hope you remember this combination. We combine both Nifty and Bank Nifty to take a call. So this is what we analyzed. One more low, okay, here, okay, see this level, one more low and price to rise higher, one more low, just missed by 30 points and moves higher. You can see the expected level initially, and you can see the price reached our expected level. And in broader sense, this can be X, and X can move higher. Okay, this also we explained, but why? This is the reason behind it. If Bank Nifty moves higher, okay, then Nifty may not make a new high, okay, and it may create a X wave. All these are expectations and assumptions we discussed in previous video. This is what we discussed, and as of now it is moving as per our expectation only, and this is our primary view we discussed. And you know, the most important thing is, even though the price declined below this trend line, okay, and ending diagonal, we adjusted this and we expected one more high, and as of now it is moving as per expectation, and you can even draw the trend line like this for support. Okay, so this will become a support now. So this is the view on Nifty and Bank Nifty, and let us move on to the midweek market update for crude oil. And we discussed here that crossing above this high the price can move higher, and coming below this 65.5 the price can go to 63 to 64. So the price is now trading below 65.5, so there are chances that the price can reach 63 to 64, and you can check this pattern. Probably it can take a diagonal, right, some kind of structure like this, and it can slow down the process and it can reach the 63 to 64. If this happens, the price can move higher. Okay, and this view is invalidated if the price goes below 59.9, the same levels which we are discussing right from here. If the price goes below 59.9, the price will somehow reach 55.8, okay, this low. So this is the invalidation point, and currently we can expect some diagonal or a slow downing of decline, and the price can reach 63 to 64 and it can turn. If it breaks below this zone in speed manner, then the price can go little lower. So natural gas, see, natural gas is exactly moving as per expectation. We discussed this in our previous weekend. This is initial expectation 3.4, that is approximately 5 to 6%, and next day itself the price reaches that level. Okay, July 21. So the next day itself the price reached our level, and while discussing I said that this is the minimum expectation. Okay, and in broader perspective, you know very well, we are expecting 3 or below 3. Okay, this is our expectation in natural gas in the medium term, and if it is ABC, the price can directly come lower to 3 or below it. Okay, but if it is WXY, all can become 3, and this can become ABC. Okay, that's the part. Now the price in midway, okay, as I said in previous video, I will show example in gold also. You need to take a decision at the turning point only. Okay, in midway you need to wait for other conditions, and currently the price in midway. See, we can expect a bounce right from here itself, or little lower here. Okay, in this zone right from here or here. Okay, in the zone the price can give a bounce, and the idea here is the price needs to go lower. Okay, so that's the objective for medium term view, but we don't know whether this bounce is going for only short term, okay, short term bounce, or even a sideways high. Okay, so we can expect some kind of support in this zone, okay, approximately here. Based on the bounce we can expect the resistance, or even it can form a sideways also if it is B. Okay, so that's why B and 4 can form any pattern, right? So we need to wait, and as I said, if it is 1 2 3 4 5, the price will eventually come lower with a small pause only. Okay, so the price may take a pause, but a bounce can be expected, but eventually the price needs to come lower to 3 or below 3. So that's the update on natural gas and gold. See, as per our expectation, we discussed here itself that during here itself 3400, and crossing the 3400 the price can reach 3450 to 3460. This is our expectation. See, in gold, this is hourly chart, we have identified all these turning points precisely. If you are a regular viewer of my channel, you could have noticed that at this point, see, not even change that level 3245 low, and this point I think 3282, yes, around this zone, and you know very well 3310 and 3320 we discussed in our previous video. So this is where you need to take a decision, right? And all these lows we identified exactly, and for our chart now, so price is approaching the resistance. So by seeing this, gold can reach 3450 to 3460 in coming days, maybe directly or after some pause. So this is the expectation in gold. And silver, see, silver also, this level I explained to you in previous video, precisely the price turn here. So again silver is approaching very close to the resistance now, this blue line 39.45. okay, this can be some resistance now, and after this resistance, by seeing the nature, it can dip. Okay, a mild dip can come, and the price can approach 39.73 to 40. Okay, initially 39.73, and Bitcoin, see, right from here the price reaches, I said that the price may move sideways, and you can see right from 15th July to 23rd July the price still consolidate within the range, and lower case this is the support, and I said that the price can come or even move entirely sideways. So this is what happening now. So with waves you can identify the price nature also. This is one example, and if the price breaks out, we can expect 1,25,000 to 1,26,000, and this is even if the price takes support, okay, either here or here. So this is the analysis for this midweek market update. So all the levels and opinions shared in this video are only for learning Elliottwaves, and I'm doing all this analysis mainly for my Magic Fibs Elliottwave learners and other Elliottwave learners who are very interested in learning the wave theory. So they can use these videos for understanding the waves and to get experience in the real time. That's the only purpose. So don't take it as any kind of buy or sell recommendations. So thank you. Trade safe. We'll meet you in the weekend market update. Take care.